Thank you so much, Razel's family.
Did I cry? Are you gonna cry again? No.
And then we have here the corrugated roof. In total, I would say the sofa set is looking. Always like tease me because this is how I eat my banana. Yeah, Arlen is being banned here in the Philippines, so he will not. Good girl. Hello guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing amazing. Today is Friday, so happy Friday guys. What are you guys doing this weekend? Oh my gosh, I don't know why, but like time is running so fast. It's 2021. Today is January 15. Wow, we have 15 days left and January is done. Valentine's Day is coming. Tom is not here. Well, we don't know yet when is he gonna be able to come here in the Philippines, because like Ireland was being hit so bad by this COVID-19 second strain in the UK. Yeah, Ireland is being banned here in the Philippines, so he will not be able to come here, which is like really sad. But I just finished showering. It is currently almost 12 right now actually. Today's video is going to be like a day in the life here in the countryside, and I have a few things that I'm going to share with you guys as well. Before we begin though guys, please do subscribe to my channel. We are almost 100k subscribers. Well, we still need about 30,000 people, but yeah, help me reach 100k. Thank you so much. It's for free. It wouldn't cost you anything. Just hit the subscribe button down below. And also, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, if you guys want to see some pictures or like my daily stories, what I am up to like on a daily basis, you guys can follow me there. It's at meljeansolon. Also in Facebook, it's at meljeansolon. So I'm gonna try to get some milk. Look, I still have like one box of Dunkin' Donuts in here. I have here almond milk. Do you guys drink this? I want to have milk and banana. Wait, it's actually hard to open this with just one hand. I'll put this in this pretty cute pink mug. There you go. I have here a cup of milk. You guys know that I don't drink coffee, so I always have milk. This is actually my first time buying almond milk. It actually tastes pretty good, though it's not my first time tasting it, because like when I like check in a hotel, usually like if there's free breakfast, they serve almond milk, which is I like. So yeah, I got almond milk and banana. I don't know about you guys, but how do you eat a banana? Tom would always like tease me because this is how I eat my banana. I would always use fork. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section down below. I know some people would say, oh, that you're so like over the top, but this is how I want to eat my banana. Do you know what I mean? My battery is dying, hold on. Anyway guys, we have a quick little update here in the terrace. Now, you guys saw that already. This is like the table that I got. I got my bike there. And look at this. Ta-da! So I got this bamboo sofa set. It was delivered early this morning. So this is how it's looking. I think we got like about 5 people that will be able to sit here. And yeah, it's got a center table as well. I removed my hammock. So I had to remove my hammock to put this here because this is like the best place to put the sofa set. So yeah, I am still actually thinking where should I put the hammock. This sofa set guys actually cost around 3,400 peso in US dollars. That is wait, 20, 40, 60, about 65 US dollars. It's actually quite affordable, to be honest. I just got it in Facebook Marketplace, though I needed to pay extra for the delivery because we are really quite far from the city, you know. Uy, there's a bee. Crazy. It is actually very sunny today. Thanks God the sun decided to show up. As you guys can remember, in the last few days it has just been raining. It was very gloomy and it affected my mood because I just don't want to do anything. So anyway, I'm here in front of the house and this is how like the sofa set is looking in this kind of perspective. Ta-da! It's actually nice. I love it. It fits perfectly well in this side. And by the way, a lot of you guys commented to remove the clothesline here in this area. I decided to remove it already. So yeah, this is how it's looking right now. It's very clean. Alright, so we are actually gonna try to check the tower tank because it has been fully finished. Like, my father has finished painting everything and it looks pretty neat. So this is how the tower tank is looking right now. And a lot of you guys are asking how much did it cost to build a tower tank. I'm going to reiterate it. The water tank cost me about 6,000 peso. So that is 120 US dollars, I think. Yes. And then the materials for the tower tank cost me 5,000 peso. For the labor, again, my brother-in-law did not accept for the labor, so I just paid one person and it cost me 20 US dollars, which is 1,000 peso. In total, I would say 6,000 plus 5,000, 11,000, about 12,000 peso, like, for everything. Since we still have some red lid that was left, he actually painted it here in the 3 tires in front of the house. So this is how the tires is looking right now. The other one is here. I like it. It looks pretty neat already. Before, when it was black, it doesn't look appealing. But anyway, guys, it's a very beautiful day. As you guys can see, it is very sunny. And currently, guys, I asked my father to try to cement here in this area because it's actually like soil, and if it is raining, a lot of people are like putting their slippers here and it is very muddy and all. So yeah, he's gonna try to put cement in there and he is currently working on it right now. I still have some, like, half a sack of cement left from the water tank that we did, so that's what he is using right now. And as you guys can see, I still have like little hollow blocks in there and I still have some sand in there. Hello guys, Razel is here. It's her day off today, that's why she is coming home. She is checking her house. How are you feeling? How are you feeling? Do not cry. We are currently eating some donut. This is from the other day. I just put it in the fridge. And by the way, Saika is here as well. Say hi. Say hi. Hi. So yeah, we are doing a mukbang. It's good, huh? How are you?
I feel happy and
You're happy?
by the way, guys, thank you for your donation in my house. I'm so flattered and
Did I cry? Are you gonna cry again? No. I'm not crying.
sure. Tears of joy.
Tears of joy.
Because my house is already built. Thank you, guys, for helping us. MG was so good for our family.
Oh, don't cry. You're so emotional.
That's all.
That's all. She's crying already.
Speechless.
Okay, so Razel, well, she knows how to bike, obviously, because she has a motorbike. Okay, now, oh my gosh, the sun is back. I thought the sun is... I'm gonna try to do it myself. To be honest, it has been so long that I did not do this. I do not know how to cycle, so please bear with me. So yeah, I did cycling when we were stuck in Palawan. That was... when was that? Like almost a year ago now. I don't know how to do this, to be honest. So
You just need to balance your
I know.
body.
I'm so nervous. My mom is gonna like tease me.
It's
What?
okay, go.
Is it gonna break?
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Push.
Okay, okay. What?
Good girl. Only 1 meter. Go. Go. Wow. Turn.
Papa, it's your turn. You know, if you're like going up, it's hard to do it.
Yeah.
pedal if you're going up. Wait. Again. I like when it's like going there because it's going downhill, so it's easier to pedal.
Yeah.
It's so hard to pedal. What the fuck? Welcome to my phone. Alright guys, that was a good exercise. How's my performance? That was my first time in forever, you know. The last time was like in April, and I'm not a pro. Like you guys know, I don't know how to cycle. But we are heading to Razel's house right now and see what is poppin'. More materials that has been delivered today. So first we have here like this metal stuff that has been painted with red lid. And then we have here the corrugated roof. We have here more metal rebar. Razel is there, and then we have here more angle bars. I think these are angle bars. Here we have here more sand. All right, so this is the current situation right now. So they had to knock off like the wall here, so they have replaced it already, and we have like 1 2 3 4 4 piles of hollow blocks in there. And then here are the people. They're eating some donut. We gave them another box of donut. We have arrived here in the house, and Razel's family, they gave me this. This is their gift to me. Look how pretty that is, guys. It's so beautiful. It's very big as well. So thank you so much, Razel. So yeah, we are going to plant this into this tire over here in the middle because she is so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful, guys. I love it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Ah, she's so pretty. Yeah, like that. Like that. It's okay, yeah. Tingnan. Pero mabarog siya ba? Oh, nice. Thank you so much, Razel's family. So cute.
For all that you've done to us, we give.
Thank you so much. Okay, it's not only. It's really pretty. So beautiful. Look at that, guys. This is called Manao in Bisaya. I don't know what is this called in English. Let me know if you guys know. Comment it down below. I had a really good time trying to practice how to cycle, guys. What do you guys think? Am I good enough to go cycling in Ireland? Actually, like Thomas been telling me that I need to learn how to cycle, because if we're gonna try to go to like the tourist spots in Ireland, we need to like be in a bicycle. It's very hot today, which is so good. I love it. Sarah is currently trying to cycle now. She still doesn't know how. The thing is, you know, it is their like first time to have a bicycle in the country. That's why they do not know how to cycle. Alright, my apple is ready. Let's eat, guys. Let's go out. It's very sunny outside. And I'm gonna sit in my new bamboo sofa set. Here. Whoa, I think we will have a good sunset today. Guys, let's eat. Good evening, guys. So right now I'm gonna try to cook our dinner. So our dinner for tonight is going to be noodles with egg and some tuna with egg as well. It sounds like breakfast, like with so much egg, but that's what we have available here in the countryside for now. And also, I don't want to like eat meat anymore. I've been eating meat, so I want to have something different. I'm gonna try to cook our soup first, which is the noodles. Alright, so I'm just gonna put some water, like 1 pitcher of water for our soup. And then I'm gonna put that in there. And here we have the cover, so I'll just wait for the water to boil. And let me just try to beat the egg. Yeah, I'm using fork now, guys. I'm not gonna be using the whisk because the whisk is actually harder to clean. So this will do, like the fork. Alright, I did not turn on. Hold on. Okay, I think some of you guys have actually noticed that I put the tank, the propane tank, underneath the countertop, and one of you said that it is better to put it outside. That's definitely my initial plan. I need to have like a propane tank cabinet to put on the outside. It has to be welded as well. So once we have someone to work on the gutter, I will have that to be worked as well. Like I'll put it here on the back area. So yeah, but for now it's gonna be there. We always like turn it off right after we cook some things. Hey guys, we just finished dinner and it is currently 7:20 in the evening, and no, I'm not going to bed yet, but I'm just here chilling. They're currently watching a Tagalog movie and I'm going to continue watching Netflix, which is Dynasty. Does anyone of you have watched it? I just started it actually the other night and it was good. I love it. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Please do subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And as always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye!